In a world where time is money, passive income is the ultimate financial hack. Imagine making money while you sleep, while you travel the world, while you're out with friends or spending time with the people who matter most. That's the dream, right? But here's the truth. Not all passive income streams are created equal. Some are slow and steady, some are fast but unstable, and some completely overhyped. In this video, we're diving into 5 passive income streams that actually work. They're Asahiri tested, proven, and ready for you to explore. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your cash flow. So grab a notebook or open your Notes app, because one of these could be the income stream that changes everything for you. Number 5. High-yield dividend stocks. Let's kick things off with one of the OGs of passive income, dividend-paying stocks. When you invest in a dividend stock, you're not just hoping the price goes up. You're getting paid just for owning it. Companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. Think of companies like Coca-Cola, 61+ years of consistent dividend increases. Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. These are household names with a track record of rewarding long-term investors. Here's the real magic. If you reinvest those dividends, instead of cashing them out, you create a snowball effect. Your investment keeps growing, not just in value, but in the income it generates. You can get started with as little as a few $100 using platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, M1 Finance. This isn't a get-rich-quick play, it's a get-wealthy over time strategy. Steady, reliable, and compounding in the background while you live your life. Number 4, real estate crowdfunding. Everyone talks about real estate investing, but let's be real. It usually requires a big down payment, a good credit score, and a tolerance for midnight phone calls from tenants. That's where real estate crowdfunding comes in. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, Arrived Homes have made it possible to invest in high-quality commercial and residential real estate with as little as $10 to $100. No fixing toilets, no dealing with leases, no managing properties. The platform handles everything. What you get, quarterly or monthly dividend payments, long-term property appreciation, a completely hands-off investment. It's a smart way to add real estate to your portfolio without the headaches of being a landlord. Number 3. Print-on-demand stores. Ever wanted to sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without worrying about inventory, shipping, or customer service? Print-on-demand is your gateway to that reality. Here's how it works. You design something or hire someone on Fiverr to do it. Upload it to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Merch by Amazon. When someone buys your product, the platform handles the rest. No upfront costs, no storage needed. And the best part? One design can keep earning for months or even years bonus with zero maintenance. Pro tip, focus on evergreen niches like fitness, dogs, coffee, or motivation. These never go out of style and always have a buying audience. If you've got creativity or know how to outsource it, this is one of the most scalable passive income streams out there. Number 2, digital products. Let's talk about scalability, creating something once and selling it an unlimited number of times. That's the power of digital products. We're talking ebooks, Excel, Google Sheets templates, Notion dashboards, Lightroom presets, stock photos, online courses. These products cost almost nothing to produce, but can bring in recurring revenue every single month. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Teachable, and Podia make it easy to set up your digital storefront even if you're a total beginner. Example, someone creates a budgeting spreadsheet and lists it on Etsy for $9. If it sells 300 times a month, that's $2,700 a month on autopilot. This is low overhead, high margin, and ideal for anyone who's ever created something useful and wants to monetize it. Number 1, YouTube automation channels. And now, the passive income stream. That's taking the internet by storm. YouTube automation. These are faceless YouTube channels, where the content is outsourced. That means writers write the script, voice actors narrate it, editors handle the visuals, thumbnails are designed by pros. All you do is manage the vision, the niche, and the uploads. Once a video goes live and starts gaining traction, it can bring in ad revenue for years. Combine that with affiliate links, sponsorship deals, digital product tie-ins, and suddenly your YouTube channel becomes a multi-stream income machine. Yes, there's upfront work, and yes, it takes time to monetize. But once it's humming, it runs almost like a business in the background. Passive income through content? Absolutely possible. The truth about passive income. Let's be honest, passive income isn't a magic button. It takes time, planning, and consistent effort up front. But the reward? The freedom to choose how you spend your time, where you live, and what you work on. So don't try to start everything at once. Pick one stream, go deep. Build it slowly and steadily until it starts to work without you. Then rinse and repeat. Because when your money starts working as hard as you do, that's when the game changes. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips that help you work smarter, not harder. Your future self, they're already thanking you.